Alright guys, so welcome to my tutorial on how to install and remove O-rings. All you'll need is your keycap and your O-ring for the installation, as well as your keyboard. You put the O-ring on the keycap stem, and then you just push it down ever so slightly, so it just stays on there. Then once that's done, all you have to do is put it back on the switch on your mechanical keyboard and tap into place and press it a few times. Then you've installed an O-ring. Pretty easy. If you want to take the keycap back off and remove it, you can use a keycap puller, but I don't use it because it damages my keycap, so I just pull it off by hand, nice and simple. Then to get something like fairly long and thin, like a pin, don't have to use a pin, but that's what I like to use. Then you just stick it underneath the O-ring and pull it up ever so slightly, making sure not to damage the stem, and then you can just reach in and pull it off with your fingers. It's that easy. That's how you install and remove O-rings on your mechanical keyboard. Alright guys, so thanks for watching that nice quick video. I hope you enjoyed it. You can check out my latest video, which I uploaded about an hour and a half ago, 2 hours, and you can check that out on the link here. Just see if you enjoy it. This video was made about 1 hour, that one took maybe 5, so yeah, hope to see how the production quality differs. Thanks for watching Tech with Jack, and I'll see you all in the next video.